Hello guys, welcome to my channel Artist Kid Training, and today I'm Ranjit Singh Kumar, continuing the legacy of spreading Excel knowledge to one and all. Today I bring you the vlookup function. Wait, it may sound as if I'm bringing the old vlookup function and the old way of applying vlookup. So it's not that, I'm going to show you a different way of applying vlookup. So I'm sure you're gonna cherish it. Anyways, before I proceed, if you like my video, do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notifications when I upload a new video. And yes, if you like my video, do share it with someone that you think would be useful for. Okay, proceeding ahead. Okay, let me take you to this working sheet wherein I have a small table with roll number, marks, and student. Now, here if I write a roll number and tell you to get the marks, it's pretty simple for someone who knows VLOOKUP. If you don't know, kindly refer to my older videos, and you will get to know how to use VLOOKUP. Anyways, for someone who knows VLOOKUP, it's easier. So just write is equal to VLOOKUP, get this lookup value, and get this array, second value, comma 2, comma 0 for exact match. And you will get 97, which is the marks for roll number 19. However, now say instead of this roll number, I write the student name and say it's Vijay. And I tell you to get the marks of Vijay. Can you get it? If let's try VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, lookup value of this. Say marks are here. So getting 2 0 will give me NA because VLOOKUP always counts the leftmost value in the table. Leftmost value is marks. However, if if I if this is my first table, first array of a column, and this is my second, then it can pick up the value. However, it cannot. One way of doing this is just bring this column this side. You can get it. However, without changing columns, if I want to get the VLOOKUP with the VLOOKUP function only, how can I do that? So that's where the choose function comes into picture. So there will be a nested choose. So it's VLOOKUP, getting the lookup value here. Now, instead of my table array, just selecting my table array, I will write choose curly brackets on 1 comma 2 because I want the second column. So the first column is this, and the comma second column will be this. Then I close my bracket for choose, then give the column index number, which will 2 in this case, and give the exact match 0, right? So here you get 97. So this is one way of using the VLOOKUP function from right to left. Now the other way, most of you might be knowing that there is an xlookup function introduced in Excel. That can be used to pick up the value. Lookup value is this. Lookup array is this. And now it says to give me the return array. Return array is this one. So it will match Vijay wherever it is and give me the return array. I will just close the bracket and press enter. You get 97. Now the third function, which quite a few people know, is the index match. So it's a very complex function, but I will try to make it easier for you. So I will just write index. Now, index, literally meaning of index is sorting, right? So which array to be sorted? This one, right? Now give the comma. It says row number. If I can write 4, I mean, sorry, 5, and it will get me 5. But instead, I will use the match function to give that 5. Match Vijay with this particular column. Give me the exact match, and this will give me 97. Like I was saying, it's in the row number 5. So I will just select this, press F9 to execute this match function. This gives me 5. So I, instead of this, I can simply use index this comma 5. It'll give me the same results. Right? So I've showed you three different types. This one is just, you can just eradicate, because if you find, if you don't know the column number of the row number, how can you do it? So we'll just go with these three functions. Now I'll show it for you, and you can just, I mean, whichever function you think is beneficial for you, you can just go ahead and use it. Hope you like my video. If you do like it, share it with anyone will that it'll help them. And do comment if you want to make you want me to make a new video on any other function. Right? Thank you, guys.